this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 74 Chevy Camaro Z28. There you can see we're going about 55 miles an hour at 3,000 RPMs. Goes down the road nice and airtight. Pretty unique car. Still has its smog equipment on it. Really got some originality to it. Has had a repaint. Front seats I think have been restored. Dash I think is original because you can see a little warping over there, but nothing that I would do anything with. For one thing, a repro isn't as good as by a long ways of the original. So like I said, nice driving car, goes down the road really good. Suspension's nice and quiet, no bumps, no rattles. Not a lot of these around. They only did, I believe, around 13,000 of them, so I'm sure there's not a lot of them left. My buddy actually had one in high school and he trashed that. That's what happened to most of them. This one's been owned by the last owner for 43 years, so some really nice history on it. It's supposed to have 98,357 undocumented miles. I do not have any paperwork on that. So we'll turn around here. Brakes work good. Steering works good. Heater's working good. There goes into gear. We'll go through the shifts for you. First to second. Second to third. Nice solid car. So any questions? 605-695-7391.